Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start learning graphic design with Canva, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what graphic design is and why it's important. Research different types of graphic design, such as branding, web design, and print design. Visit the Canva website or download the Canva app from your device's app store. Create a free account by entering your email address and setting up a password. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Canva interface. Navigate through the dashboard and explore the different design types available. Choose a design template that interests you, such as social media posts, presentations, or flyers. Click on the selected template to open the design editor. Experiment with the drag and drop feature to add text, images, and other elements to your design. Customize your design by changing colors, fonts, and layouts to match your style. Take advantage of Canva's extensive library of photos, icons, and shapes. Use the search bar to find specific elements that can enhance your design. Practice creating multiple pieces, experimenting with different templates and tools. Learn about the importance of typography and how to choose the right fonts. Align and organize your design elements to achieve a professional look. Once satisfied with your creation, click the download button to save your design. Consider exploring Canva's tutorials and resources for additional tips and techniques. Join graphic design communities online to share your work and receive feedback. Stay updated with design trends to keep your work fresh and relevant. Continue practicing to build your confidence and skills in graphic design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.